Well, here we are out here. We're getting ready to go to the scrap yard. 2 buckets of brass and 1 of plated silver plate, and we'll see what we get. Well, here we are. I guess I thought it was heavier. It was 39 pounds of yellow brass at $1.25 a pound for $48.75. So I'm pretty excited. On to the next. Well, I just got to my favorite dive spot, and they've got, in the old days I would be like, oh crap, a bunch of Christmas lights. But these days I'm thinking scrap. So I'm gonna find out if my yard takes them. It's a small little yard. And then you got this whole thing full. I'm gonna have to find out. These are actually really nice knobs. It's just full of them. They're probably steel, but anyway, look at this. This is going to be a great bucket. I know the lighting's not great, but can you believe that it's in there? And it's Japan. Of course, I'll fix it, but you know, there would be. I've tried to sell these things before if they weren't broken, but I didn't have a lot of luck. This looks like some goodies in here. Let me tell you, it was at the bottom of the dumpster. And there's some more brass starting off my next bucket. Bottom of the dumpster. Heavy, heavy, heavy stuff. This thing's metal, like cast iron. That thing probably the culprit of breaking everything else. Alright, I'll get back to you later on this one. Let's go through this box together. I got these 2 things out. It's the same thing. It's an Equinox shower mate. I'll have to look those up. I think it filters your shower water. It's old, but I mean, it's never been used. It says new, but it's vintage. So let's see what we have here. Broken. Fresh break. Made in Japan. Let's get this bag out. What is this? Salt and pepper shakers with salt and pepper. That's going outside. Olivia, get away from that. So is this the head? It looks like it. Yeah, well, there you go. Oh boy. Yeah, they cleaned out their knickknacks, didn't they? They just put all their knickknacks in a... the bird. Well, here's the rest of the box. I like brass lately when I see it because that is cash money. I don't think I can sell it. It's just too much on the market, but boy, I'll take that all day long. Nice. Nothing else looks too exciting in here, actually. That's cute. I guess she needed a guy to go with her, it looks like. But he's probably, doesn't look like he's in here. So we're getting into some broken stuff, so I'm gonna stop. Yeah, that's about it. That's it for this one. Some brass. Woohoo!